Hello, my name is V. These are my brothers Virat and Vibha.
Hello.
This is like me.
Hot chocolate.
I just said Virat, but you didn't answer.
Hot chocolate.
We just made hot chocolate. Okay, and today we're gonna make a 4-leaf clover for St. Patrick's Day. Let's get started. And all you need is some glue, some green paper, big and small, some paper, some scissors. Be careful with these.
And pencil. And some
First, you need to fold the paper like this. The big green paper. So then you have a rectangle, and then fold that rectangle in half. So then it looks like a tiny square. Next, you're gonna get your pencil and draw one leaf on your paper, and make sure the paper with the sides which are folded are facing down to the ground, and on the non-folded sides are going up to the sky.
Why are you working?
Cutting the tiny part, so I'm gonna cut. Yeah.
And there you go.
Oh yeah!
This hot and open hot.
Yvonne, you're not supposed to do it like that. You're supposed to put it back in. You're supposed to do it like that. And
No.
twist it like that. There you go.
Get the lid.
Fly, into the sky.
Is that a flying bird?
Sort of.
Yeah.
Looks more like a butterfly.
Yeah.
Flying higher.
Or is it
Flying higher. Do the same thing with the small square like you did with the giant square. So it's time for a joke. Oh yeah, joke time. So, why do eggs hate Fridays? Because they don't want to get fried.
Why you need soap with soup?
What?
Why you need soup with soup?
I don't know.
Or germs will come.
Okay, well, do you have any more jokes?
Yeah.
What is your next joke? Okay, stop.
Why a gloopy with a gloopy glue?
Gloopy with the gloopy glue? What does that even mean?
Because they don't want to get gloopy.
I don't see what this means. That's what I'm Okay, next.
Why you need scissors with scissors to cut?
I don't know.
Because you don't have enough to cut.
What? Stop doing that. Now you're going to glue the clovers onto the white page. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You want this?
That's okay.
You can go. I will go last.
Okay. I don't know which one do I do first.
Shoot.
Small.
Don't forget to fast. Go it on.
Balloon yarn.
Go it on. Go it all the way. Yeah, this guy's name Mickey's and Licky's.
I don't know what I'm saying because
Yeah. Go big.
there's the last one. Burger.
Watermelon I don't know.
What? Slow motion. Why am I in fast motion?
Wait, I know. Happy St. Patty's Day!
Patrick's Day.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.